Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the SEO Tactician. Guys, the past two videos I showed what is SEO and why SEO is important for Shopify in 2025. So, today I'm gonna to show you how to set up Google Search Console in Shopify CMS. So, let's get started to this video. To set up Google Search Console, first of all we need to go Google Search Console site. Like I'm searching on Google Search Console. I'm searching on Google Search Console and enter. I found here the top position, Google Search Console. So I'm clicking start now. Okay, after entering the Google Search Console, we have to verify Google Search Console. So you can see here is two methods to verify your Google Search Console. First method is domain. That's mean if you purchase a domain and you create it subdomains, like if you purchase xyz.com domain but you make some subdomain like abc.xyz.com, this type of domain, so that if you enter the root domain, then all the subdomains are verified by the root domain. And here is URL prefix. It's the very easy method. I will show you verify Google Search Console with URL prefix. So first step, I'm entering my client URL here. I put here the website URL, then I'm clicking continue. It takes few seconds. Yeah, here is few types to verify Google Search Console. First, HTML file. That's mean we have to download this file and upload our website. And second method is, this is the popular method and very easier method, which is HTML tag. By the way, you can verify with Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager. So I would like to verify HTML tag. So to verify Google Search Console via HTML tag, here is some recommendation. First, we need to copy the code and we have to paste this code in head section, and before the first body section we have to put this code in our website background backend. So now I'm going to our Shopify admin panel. After login in the Shopify admin panel, you will see this type of interface. First, we have to click on online store it takes few seconds to load. So after click on the online store, then we have to go this three dot menu and click on edit code. Okay, after edit code we need to go theme.liquid file. Yeah, after go theme.liquid file, we have to paste the code. We have to paste this code in head section before the first body section. So I'm pasting this code on the location. Here is the location, you can see very easily. Head section is here. So I'm pasting this code here. Enter, paste the code, click on the save. I put it already. I just showing you the method. Click on the save, then go back on the Google Search Console's panel, click on verify. After put the after put the code, then you you come back to the Google Search Console and click on this verify button. After click verify button, you will see this type of interface. Your Google Search Console ownership auto verified. Okay, then click on go to property. Good job, you have done Google Search Console setup on Shopify CMS. So thank you guys to watching this video. I hope you enjoy this video very much and you learned very easily. Please subscribe my channel and browse our latest SEO course. No more today. Bye bye, take care.